Meaning of dangling participle.
Dangling participle.
Dangling participle.
Dangling participle.
Dangling participle. A dangling participle is a type of grammatical error that occurs when a participle, a verb form ending in ing, is used in a sentence, but it is unclear what noun the participle is modifying. As a result, the sentence becomes confusing or ambiguous. For example, running down the street, the tree branch hit me on the head is a sentence with a dangling participle because it is unclear who or what is running down the street. In short, a dangling participle creates confusion by failing to clearly connect the subject of the sentence to the action being described.